For best results, use with Frigidaire Ready Cook 16 baking sheet, sold separately, to catch any drippings and crumbs as you air fry your favorite dishes. Get the same great taste and crispy texture of deep frying, with none of the guilt. Ready Cook Air Fry Tray cooks delicious fried food faster than non-stick bakeware. Hot air penetrates all sides of air fry tray, resulting in even heat distribution and quicker cook times. The dimensions for the air fry basket are 18.37 by 15.25 by 1 inches, 46.7 centimeters by 38.8 centimeters by 2.54 centimeters. The dimensions for the oven rack are 24.12 by 16 inches, 61.26 centimeters by 40.6 centimeters. With the Ready Cook Air Fry Tray, air flows evenly to heat all sides of your food. Get perfectly golden results without flipping. Prepare delicious meals using little to no oil. Get the same great taste and crispy texture of deep frying, without the guilt. Air fry in your Frigidaire gallery range with our Ready Cook Air Fry Tray for faster, delicious results. Large cooking capacity, great for preparing family-sized meals like chicken wings, French fries, tater tots and more. Hand wash recommended, dishwasher safe. Includes air fry basket, 18.4 by 15.3 by 0.8 and oven rack, 24.1 by 15.3, pairs well with Ready Cook 16 baking sheet. Top reviews from the United States. Airfree oven rack awesomeness. I purchased a new Frigidaire AirFree range, so I wanted the AirFree rack. It is fabulous. Be sure to measure/check your model's compatibility, as this is not a pan, it is an actual oven rack that slides in. The AirFree basket is removable from the rack. Nice size too. Can easily airfry large portions. Was about half the price here versus purchasing from the retailer where I got the range. It is a genuine Frigidaire product, which you register. Go for it.